See you, Triple X. I was getting restitution, they was getting rest. Country, rap bastard in the flesh. You gon' give me what I earned and not a penny less. Trying to get it 40 hours every week, baby. Working hell now, that's what I get in sleep, maybe. Big maybe, let me say, I really appreciate it. When daddy told me, son, it's okay to be lazy. Long as you don't mind table scraps at supper time. If you good with that, then take a nap, yeah, just recline. And when it's time to shine, stay reclined. Then you wonder why you way behind, that's why.
Be the last one to bed and the first with my shovel and dirt. I put in work for what I deserve. Be the last one to stop, I'ma rock till I drop to the earth. And it's family first, so when the birds chirp, I'm at work.
I'm at work while you eating dessert. I'm at work when you walk in and leaving church. Please, God, forgive them, cause we keep working while they giving. Excuse upon excuse for why they isn't. Take a whole lot of ambition, mix it up with more vision. Equals either inconceivable freedom or prison. Both literal prison systems and prisons of the spirit. But the vibe is undeniable when you're near it. Bitches fear it, cause when beautiful women bitches hear it, see it or feel it, they get the ass and titty revealing. Beverages spilling, long legs spread to the ceiling. There's no beating this feeling, but you know me, I'm just chilling. But not really, no, I'm really obsessing about how the next one I'm working's gonna be the best one yet. A country boy might survive working 9 to 5, but since this one here is trying to thrive,
I put in work. Be the last one to bed and the first with my shovel and dirt. I put in work for what I deserve. Be the last one to stop, I'ma rock till I drop to the earth. And it's family first, so when the birds chirp, I'm at work.
work like that check ain't coming on the first. Work like that trust fund your papa left you wasn't dispersed. Work is to produce and reproduce is why we living. Work just because you like to get it. While y'all was Instagramming, we was living in here jamming shit. I like Instagram, but it ain't one of the 10 commandments. Since I've been a man, I've been gradually comprehending and understanding. It ain't so much the business planning, it is the way you plan to handle your business. If the woman or man is relentless, God is the witness. The God-given talent to sin them ain't gotta be none like LeBron, like you that blessed gazon type. Mine is more like Pete Rose playing for the Reds. The talent is average, but it's the hustle that made him the best. Ain't trying to say I'm the best, just that I only know one way to success. I put in work.
Be the last one to bed and the first with my shovel and dirt. I put in work.